My name is MUAMs1, and this is probably the first time you've heard me speak before. But I can't actually hear myself speak because my ear's blocked. And this is Rachael Emma.
Hello.
Which is funny because my name's Emma.
Yeah.
Today we are going to be, or well, we've already done it, but you are going to see how I shaped this beautiful lady's eyebrows. Because she got them wispy, ethereal eyebrows.
Yeah.
And I love them, but I chopped them all off.
Not all of them. Half of them.
That's what you think. Anyway, you will see how this lovely lady transforms from one kind of eyebrow to another kind of eyebrow.
Untouched eyebrows to groomed eyebrows.
That's the one. Yep. Enjoy! So, first of all, we're going to start with some wax.
Yeah.
Melted some wax. Oh, I'm going to and I got some sticks. I got some sticks. I'm going to take this wax that I melted. Are you ready?
No, I'm terrified. Please don't fuck myself.
I'm just going to wax your entire eyebrow off. So I'll start with this side. And I'll go along here.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It has to be hot.
I've literally never touched my eyebrows.
Really?
I've done a tiny bit of plucking underneath there. There's a straight hair.
Yeah.
But literally nothing else.
And then we'll let that cool down. And I'll do the other side. Is it going to be pink? Try to make it not painful.
That's reassuring.
There is only so much I can do. Just for good measure. I'm going to wax the unibrow that you do not have.
Yeah.
There's nothing you can do about that. Yeah, there's
But I can see it.
I know.
It's just right there.
I know, it's really irritating. And then I'm just going to wax this bit here. I mean, there's not much there to wax, but that's cool. It's fine. I'll just pull your skin off instead.
Thanks.
So wait for this to dry. I mean, it's starting to look pretty dry already. Dries really quickly. Sorry. Just wait for that to dry. And just have some casual conversations. Like, hey Rachel, what's going on in your life?
Your eyebrows waxed.
Shit, really?
Yeah, I know.
That's mental.
Shock.
Yeah, in fact. Okay, so I need to not put my hand in the way of the camera. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Well, that wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be.
And there are all your little hairs.
Yay! It actually did something.
Yeah.
It's kind of like just taking a plaster off.
Yeah. It doesn't hurt as much as like wax strips.
No.
And there are all your
so
little hairs.
satisfying.
All the camera probably can't see it.
No, I mean you'd have to go real close up.
I mean, it's pretty close to your face right now. Well, there were some hairs. Look at that.
I mean, I do have hairs on my face, yeah.
Well, they were more than I thought they'd be, okay?
I feel like I have no eyebrows, even though I know they were done above my eyebrows.
I mean, I can get rid of your eyebrows if you want. I'm just going to do this tiny because, as everyone does, you've got tiny little hairs along here.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to lift your eyebrow and put some on there. Wax. You're welcome. Fucking wax, man. This is not how professionals do it. I promise you. If you go to a professional salon, they will not do this. Yeah, you're going to rip that little bit. It's not hurt because it's actually right.
Yeah. That was alright.
And this some of your head hair. But that's cool. That's cool. We can roll with that. I'm professional. And then we take pad thing and some coconut oil.
Definitely some coconut oil.
People are starting to say that it's not good for you.
True.
Yeah. There's a lot of coconut oil. I'm so sorry.
Why don't I good for you?
Apparently it's just better to use other stuff. And so my 3 favourite tools in the universe, we've got a little spoolie, some tweezers and some nail scissors, which come in handy quite a lot. I'm going to start with the tweezers. I hope the camera is like picking this up because otherwise things are coming. And so I'll just shape the top a little bit more. Just pick up some of the hairs that were missed out. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Are you okay? Don't cry. Ah. And then next, you're going to take your spoolie again. And your nail scissors. And then you're going to, need to do it where they can see. You're going to brush up the hairs like that. And you brush the hair up. And trim it. Just a little bit. To make the hairs, to make the eyebrows slightly less wispy. That's what I want. Disclaimer, I do not take responsibility if you put scissors near your eyes. Now you take a wipe and just slap her face with it. Now just wipe off the coconut oil and all the excess hairs that have pulled off. There we go. Now she has beautiful, beautiful natural eyebrows. You look like you're thinking about something.
I'm just really nervous to see how they look.
If you hate them, don't punch them. And now for the big reveal. Wait. Stay there, I want to catch your reaction. Okay. And look.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, they look alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
You could be more excited about it, but that's fine. That's cool too.
They look cute.
Oh, sorry, I just zoomed into your tits. Didn't mean to do that. Sorry.
Yeah, they look cool. Thank you.
Are you sure? Do you like them?
Yes, I do.
They will grow out quickly if you find them too short, but you can also just fill them in this evening.
They look different, but at the same time not. It's confusing.
Yeah. I mean, they look. Do you think they look natural?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. It won't focus. Feels like I'm watching a really weird, like a
ASMR.
foreign. Like, I was gonna say a foreign film.
Oh, like for an experimental film.
Yeah, where they spend the whole time in like silence.
I have seen so many of those films over the past year.
Yeah, that's because you did fucking film at uni, so or are doing currently. Just gonna zoom in. Stop moving! Wait, you moved again. Can't focus on you when you're being an independent person.
My sister does this thing with her eyebrows where she just like brushes them off.
I brush mine down because they look better that way. They have a better shape when I brush them down.
See, I've always kind of gone up and then just smooth them along so there's no poking out, but my sister, they look like feathery.
What's your verdict? Look at the camera and give your verdict.
My verdict is that Emma is...
Your verdict?
Yeah.
Sorry. What is your verdict?
My verdict is that Emma is innocent and she is not guilty of killing my eyebrows.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I didn't really know what I was doing, but I
You probably know more than
didn't
me.
tell Rachel that in the first place. I only told her that afterwards. So it's cool. She's still alive.
Yeah, but my eyebrows aren't.
No. I didn't completely butcher them. they're just a little bit injured.
A bit wounded.
Yeah.
I'm just on the mend.
And so, are you gonna try and keep up this eyebrow routine?
Yeah, how do I do that?
Just follow the video that I just made you. I just made you
Well,
an instructional
Emma,
video.
Where can I find the wax?
I found the wax on Amazon.
Wow.
Just type in hard wax pellets or something like that, and you need to find a good one though. Read the always read Amazon comments, because
Always.
yeah, you don't want to get. Please do not hit me in the face with a spoolie. No. Anyway, yeah. So if you want mediocre eyebrows, follow this tutorial. This is not the upbeat video that we all signed up for.
Yeah, well, that just sums up life, doesn't it?
Yeah. That just depressed the fuck out of me.
That's what I'm here for.
Anyway, thank you very much guys for watching. I have been MUAMs1 and this has been Rachael Emma. I hope my voice isn't too annoying. As I said before, I can't hear myself, so
You sound like normal, that's fine.
So, thank you very much guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the bell button.
To find out when you upload another video in about 3 months. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to me, please.
No, please don't. I'll maybe put a link in the description if I feel like it.
I'll hack your account.
No.
I'll dislike the video.
No.
I'll create multiple accounts and dislike the video. Spam you with sub for sub.
I feel very attacked.
You should. I'm attacking you.
So if my channel dies already more than it is now, you'll know why. Okay. Bye. Yeah, bye. Rachel, you smell like shit.
Yeah, I know.